He's the reason why, like, when hard days are hard, I do it.
My name is Lionel Jimenez Flores. My accident was on
2022.
I was shot in my hand. I lost my right side of my body and my speak.
Leo is one of the most, if not the most motivated patients I've ever had the opportunity to work with. And I really mean that. He has this keen awareness of like what we're trying to achieve in therapy. And even if he's struggling with it, he's able to really understand what I'm asking him to accomplish.
What stood out to me the most about Leo's journey is his motivation this whole time. You know, it has not been an easy road. There's been times where there's been slow progress or plateaus, but every time I go out to the waiting area to grab him, he's got a big smile on his face. He's always motivated, ready to work, and he's always willing to try new things, which I think is why he's still able to progress several years out.
There is a outdated mindset that you have a limited time to recover. Although that might be the case in a lot of situations, I can't really say for Leo if that's the case. He made a ton of progress, and he made progress even before I met him. He looks completely different the end of year 2 compared to the end of year 1. I want to debunk that myth because you're gonna change the rest of your life, just like I'm gonna change the rest of my life.
I do want to mention Ann Brex is another therapist. She recently retired, but she worked with Leo for several years, so I would be remiss not to give her a shout out for the things that she did with him. And then also I just want to shout out Leo as well. He'll be starting employment here, paid employment in a couple months, which he's been working real hard for the last few years, so really proud of him there.
I am
Able
to do pretty much anything on my own.
I think Leo, he wants to live a really vibrant life, and he has goals that he wants to achieve, and he's doing that. And he might work a little harder than the average person, or it might look different, but he's able to achieve wonderful things.
Never give up.